Hi, I'm Kaylin, and we used to live in a van. But on March 5th of 2022, my van crashed and rolled over. I thought that like my life was over, but the van life community showed me how much they loved and supported me by starting some GoFundMes. I don't intend to waste it. Like, look at this. I bought a school bus. Ready to get started?
Yep.
Onward and upward, baby! Starting this week off with a win of finishing up the rubber flooring removal. Next goals are the final paint job on the outside and getting up the subfloor on the inside. We are getting back to painting today, now that we've made some major demo progress on the inside. I really should finish the white first, but I just want to start painting the fun color. Time for another day of painting.
And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin.
This is 2 coats versus 1 coat. Amazing. All right, good morning. Yesterday we finished the white paint on the whole bus and finished ripping up the flooring. Today is the day that I've been waiting for, at least since I bought the bus. We are painting a fun color today. We're gonna paint some fun color shit. I'm so excited. Am I just gonna eyeball this line over here?
Reaching for the ground.
That seems good. Alright, we've got the bus taped off right at the line of this like guard rib thing. So everything below it is going to be the fun color and everything above it will be white. I feel like this is probably terrible YouTube lighting, but it's so freaking bright out here that this is what y'all get today. Sorry, I'm just trying to mix up this paint. Whew, it's a workout. The time has come to reveal my paint. The next reveal is gonna be the name of the bus. Look at this beautiful terracotta orangey pink color. And now we do the exact same process that we did for the white. Pour it into our mixing bucket. All right. And then we've got our paint thinner. Fun fact, this stir stick is actually just a piece of scrap wood from my first build that I found in my mom's garage. Best pro tip I have for bus painting is if it can be reached with the roller, do it with the roller. Because the roller is 100 times better than the brush in terms of coverage, in terms of ease for you. Just use the roller as much as you can. Use the roller. first coat of the orange, I tried to do a bunch of other useful things while I waited for it to dry. I tried to pull up the subfloor, but I couldn't find the drill bit that I needed. Then I tried to remove the air conditioning unit in the back. Can't figure out the wiring. So now I guess we're painting the second coat of orange. Now that the sun has started to go down and it is less miserably hot out here, we are ready to paint round 2. I need to do something about these doors. This is a problem. It goes on so much more neutral than it dries. Like, it dries a much like richer color than it paints on. Okay, but can we talk about this paint job? Oh my God, she's so beautiful. She's so fun, so flirty. It's like in some light, it looks like beige. In some light, it looks like truly orange. And in some light, it looks like a peachy pink almost. And I like that. It's like a little bit feminine, but not like excessively so. And I think that fits me really, really well. Okay, now that the bus is painted, officially, this week's goals are to get the bus registered, remove the heater and the AC unit, remove the subflooring. All right, we are headed to Tennessee. You might be like, Kaylin, why are you headed to Tennessee? Well, I need to register the bus. My official address is at my mom's house in Tennessee. If all goes according to plan, we will not run into any problems and the bus will be registered within 24 hours. Okay, I know Vermont is like infamous for being the easiest state to register a school bus, but add Tennessee to that list. That was so easy. I just walked in, handed them the old title, told them it's not yellow anymore, and they said, okay, and they re-registered it as a motorhome for me right there. Cost me $60, got a new tag. Bus is ready to go.